If you thought that the only way to generate more profit is to keep running marketing campaigns, well, you were wrong. I am Taco Bel, a global fast food chain with more than 7,000 branches all over the world. I wanted a significant raise in my breakfast sales, but there was a problem. I faced a challenge. What challenge? The challenge was to get the members of my target market to see my ads as soon as they got out of bed. Actually, I had to somehow become a part of their morning routine. Do you know why? Because that's the time these people would react most positively to my ads and I would experience the highest sales. Why? Because they are hungry and thinking, okay, what's for breakfast? But how did I accomplish this? Before I get into details, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to join our community. I did this by using targeted mobile ads so that my ad was shown to my target audience exactly when they were getting ready to start their day. But how, you might ask? Well, that's a good question. Rather easily, of course. I analyze the specific behaviors of my customers. First, I check what applications people use at the beginning of the day. What is their favorite app? What time of the day do they look at breakfast recipes? And things like that. What happens after that? Okay. Well, now I have a body of data about how each person behaves in the morning. But how does that benefit you, I can hear some of you say. The benefit is that now I have a pretty good idea of which app or website to advertise on so that every single person can see my advertisement every morning. I even use navigation apps like Waze to quickly show my potential customers the nearest Taco Bell store, and by so doing I guide them step by step to the Taco Bell fast food. So what's the result? The result is the secret to the wonderful sales of my breakfasts. That I personalize my ads based on my customers' behaviors, experiences, or even environment. Now when members of my target market enter their favorite apps first thing in the morning, they see Taco Bell breakfast advertisements. Let's hope someday your success story will be the one we talk about on this channel. Good luck, my fellow business prolanders.